morning everyone, here from Itacare in Bahia. So Itacare is just a bit down south from the peninsula that we were in the previous videos, peninsula of Marau. And it's also a similar kind of laid-back vibe, laid-back beach town kind of vibe. We're gonna actually be leaving pretty soon, but I thought I'd just start the video off here and I'll be able to show you the beach area here because it's really nice. The weather wasn't so great while we've been here the past 2 days, so yeah, that's why we didn't really do much filming. The place that we're staying in is $80 per day, which is more expensive than what we normally stay in, but we had some Airbnb credits, so we got it for about $50 a day. And the reason that it's expensive is because we got this view here. So you got this really nice hammock to chill out in. And then this spot is literally right on this beautiful beach here. It's kind of like a surfing beach. A lot of people surf here. So this is called Praia da Tiririca. And then on either side there's other beaches so you can walk along the cliffs. Loads of really nice beaches with a really laid back vibe. Yeah, so just because we're leaving, it's actually a beautiful sunny day. And this is how all the spots look around here. So they're all wooden. We were staying in this spot right here, that room right there. So yeah, it's all like this kind of natural vibe. And the ground's like this as well, all dirt roads. So now we're heading to an island called Boipeba. Our friends that we've been traveling with are going to be leaving, so they're heading back to Salvador to get on a plane. And the boat place, the boat terminal that we need to go to is on the way, so they're gonna drop us off there. So the place we've stopped off at is called Camorugi, and we thought we were going to get the speedboat at 4, but it looks like there's one at 2:30, but it's full at the moment. But the guy just said that 2 people want to swap, so yeah, we're seeing if they want to swap, and then we'll be able to go on the 2:30 one because it's 2:20 right now. So I think this is the boat pulling in right now, so hopefully we can get on that one so we don't have to wait 2 hours. So we were able to get on the one at 2:30, and it's 50 reais per person, and I think it's going to take 40 minutes overall. Alright, we've arrived on the island, Ilha de Boipeba. Even got this cool map here. So I think it is pretty big. Do you know where to go?
That way.
That way down there?
Yeah.
Okay. Man, this place looks awesome already, right?
Yeah.
And that speedboat was like 1,000 miles per hour.
Yeah, it was a really speedy boat.
But like really smooth at the same time.
Yeah, because it was inside the river, so there were no waves.
Yeah, he was just cutting through.
Very smooth.
So our place is just down this pathway somewhere along the coast. Already seems so peaceful here though. So already got some little beaches around here, beach bars. Check this out for a for a walkway here. almost like a pier, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ah, more beaches there. Loads of beaches on this island apparently. Check out this little beach shack here. That'd be an interesting place to stay or live. So even on the other islands across there, there's beaches.
The sculpture.
Oh wow, look at that. So we weren't able to walk along the beach any longer. There's no pathway, so had to cut inside now. And we're hoping we can walk this way, not sure. So this island doesn't have any cars.
No.
So there's like no noise pollution.
Yeah, no, that's why people love this place. They always say, oh, there's no cars, and it's just a different vibe, so yeah.
Yeah, look at this. This is like completely wild. No?
Accesso praia.
Beach access. Yeah, we hope it's this way.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, the beautiful sounds. We gotta walk up here. Yeah, we have no idea where we're going. Backpack's pretty heavy as well. It's like the old school backpacking Southeast Asia days. Walking around for ages without backpacks. Today's exercise, Carol.
Yeah, it's good because we needed some exercise.
Yeah.
We've been eating a lot and doing nothing.
Yeah, in Bahia we've barely done anything, right?
Yeah, and the food here is great, so we're always eating.
Man, this is one hell of a path to the place that we're staying. Look at this. Now we're back on the beach again. Still trying to find our spot. Look at this beach though. Completely empty. So the place that Carol booked for us is this place right at the end of the beach. That's why we had to do all that walking. Nothing else around here. Pousada Vila da Barca. That's where we're staying. Where's the reception?
Yeah, we're not staying here, we're staying in a place, but I think it's the same owners, so maybe we can just find them.
Oh, it's same owners?
Yeah.
Okay. So we made it. That's our little beach bungalow right there. And there's a few different little beach bungalows here. So we actually booked this one, which is the bigger one, for $76, but apparently it rained and it leaked, so they're gonna fix that up and we're gonna move there tomorrow. So tonight we're just staying in this one, and it's pretty dark inside, but it's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a AC room, got the AC there. Bedroom's dark, but got a nice big bed, little mini fridge, and yeah, pretty big bathroom here. That's the shower area. And then just like our last place, can chill in this hammock here with the nice views and the nice sound of the ocean. Yeah, so this is the one that we're gonna move in tomorrow. You can already see it's a lot bigger. Sure is awesome being this close to the coast though. So apparently this trail here goes on to all the main beaches that are over that hill, so probably do that in the next video. What's the name of the game?
Embaixadinha.
Embaixadinha.
Yeah.
Kick-ups. Oh,
I'm the worst.
this isn't Brazilian.
I'm not a Brazilian.
This girl's not Brazilian. Heavy ball, right?
Yeah.
So from what the owner said, this part here, the water's still a darker colour because you get in the colour of the river that's flowing out. But he said around that corner there is open ocean, and then you get like a nicer bluer water. So we'll see that in the next video. Also, the weather's not very good at all today. Kind of looks like it's gonna rain any moment soon. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we have a lot of rainfall. So this is the beach restaurant that we found. It's not the one that the guy recommended, right?
I don't know.
Either way, it's right on the beach, so yeah, it's all good. And I just got this grilled chicken, got the mashed potatoes, some vegetables and rice, and that was 60. And what have you got over there?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti, saucy yeah. Spaghetti. I think that was 48, right?
Yeah.
Dog hasn't moved since we've been eating. Oh, look at a cool little necklace you got there. Yeah, so all along the beach there's all these cute little bungalows everywhere. These small little bungalows. So loads of places that you can stay right on the beach here. So the other island over there is the real famous one.
Yeah, in that island there's a place called Morro de São Paulo, which is, I think, is one of the most famous places to visit in Bahia. And I don't know if you're going there. Maybe we'll try to go there. We'll see if there are any like transfer boats or something from here. And it's supposed to be a very, very beautiful place as well, so maybe we'll check it out in a few days.
Yeah, depending on the weather. Check that out, that's how we're going back to Salvador.
In 30 minutes you can get there.
That's crazy. Wonder how much that will cost. Taxi aéreo. Yeah, I think Salvador, the way we're gonna go by the ferry and everything, it's probably gonna take like 5 hours or something.
Or even more.
Or even more,
That's
yeah.
what we heard.
Yeah, because we took the ferry to get here, this region, and it just took forever.
Yeah.
So aero taxi it is.
Yeah.
So we're just walking around now in the center. Gonna check it out, see how it is. Still seems super quiet around here. So I think there's some other little restaurants that you can eat at in the center. So I guess this part here is like the main square, because there's loads of restaurants all the way around. Still super quiet though. Yeah, I think this place is like always quiet maybe.
Yeah, today is a Saturday. So.
Oh yeah, it's a weekend.
Yeah.
So today would be the day.
But
yeah.
it's not busy at all.
So a short walk from the center. There's this really old church here. Looks abandoned, doesn't it?
No. I just heard something, so it's not abandoned, but yeah, it's not in the best condition.
Yeah. Yeah, we just heard a sound inside the minute I said that, so I guess it's still active. That must be really old though, it looks really old.
Yeah, I don't know when it's from.
Looks over 100 years old, easy. That's where we just walked past, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
That's the other island across the way. Yeah, so we're staying over there somewhere. We just walked all the way around here and came around. Yeah, the plants and trees on this island are something else because they're super colourful as well. So you got like the yellow, the pink there. This is kind of red. So you're getting all these colours mixed together. Looks beautiful. So I got this acai here. I think it's about 400 milliliters, and that was 23 reais. And yesterday we got the same thing for like 12.
12 reais.
Yeah.
Itacare.
Itacare, yeah. So like half the price over there. Got some bananas here. 3 reais. So that's it for this video. We have 3 more days here on this island, so that's going to be awesome. Going to be able to explore a lot more. And tomorrow is our wedding anniversary, so yeah, I don't think we're going to be making any videos tomorrow. Probably just gonna relax, maybe still see some areas, but probably the day after that we'll explore the main beaches around here, and yeah, I think that will be the next video. So if you enjoyed this one, just drop a like as usual to support us. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.